Who would have thought? That simply steaming pork belly for 20 minutes, in such a short time, could turn it into an irresistible delicacy, loved by both young and old. Let's see how it's made. A gin of pork belly costs 8 yuan. Once the water boils, steam for 20 minutes. Steam until a chopstick can easily pierce through, then remove and slice into thick pieces. Some people enjoy watching videos quietly, but still leave a like behind. Those people are simply adorable. Add minced garlic to a bowl, then add shallots and bird's eye chilies. Pour hot oil over to release the aroma, seasoned with light soy sauce. If you love cilantro, add a little extra, and your delicious dipping sauce is ready. This delicate sliced pork belly dish is not boiled. Steaming preserves its natural flavor best. Pork belly paired with this flavorful sauce is rich but never greasy, perfect with drinks or rice. If you like it, save this recipe and give it a try. Method 2. Stop making braised pork belly the same old way. Today, I'm sharing a pork belly recipe with a special secret method. The process is incredibly simple. It's rich without being greasy, and absolutely perfect with rice. Start with pork belly, costing 5 yuan per jin. Cut it into large chunks. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Beat them thoroughly with chopsticks. Then pour them over the pork belly and mix well. Make sure every piece is coated with egg. Then add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix and massage everything evenly. This is the perfect consistency. Pour plenty of oil into the pan. Heat the oil to about 40%. Add the pork belly pieces one by one. Reduce to medium heat and fry slowly. Fry for about 5 minutes, until both sides are golden brown, just like this. Add 1 tablespoon of soybean paste to a bowl. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, and a little salt. Add some sugar and a little water. Stir thoroughly until combined. Pour it over the pork. Add scallions and ginger. Mix everything evenly again. Marinate for at least 1 hour. Add 200 grams of glutinous rice to a bowl. Cover with clean water and soak. After 1 hour, rinse the glutinous rice well, then drain thoroughly. Arrange the marinated pork belly on top. To everyone who just joined, please give this video a like. I'm just 1 like away from trending. Please support Pamela. Thank you so much. Finally, pour in all the remaining sauce. Place it in a steamer. Cover with a lid. Steam for 40 minutes after the water boils. Meanwhile, prepare a cucumber. Slice it thinly. Then cut each slice in half. Time's up. Let's open the lid. Wow, the aroma fills the entire room. Sprinkle with chopped scallions. After a long steaming process, the pork belly is rich but not greasy and incredibly satisfying with rice. It looks absolutely Place a serving plate over the bowl. Then flip it over. Remove the bowl. Garnish with a little more scallion. Then take the sliced cucumber. Arrange it neatly around the plate. A simple yet delicious dish of glutinous rice pork belly is now complete. The glutinous rice has absorbed all the savory juices. Soft, sticky, and packed with flavor. Delicious. The pork belly is also tender and flavorful, melting in your mouth. If you love this dish too, save it now and give it a try. Method 3. Watch closely. Simply steam the pork belly for a while. Take it out and you'll have a classic dish loved by both kids and adults. Don't forget to like and save this recipe. Pork belly costs about 8 yuan per jin where I live. How much is it in your area? Steam it for 20 minutes. Steam until a chopstick can easily pierce through it. Then poke about 88 small holes with a toothpick. Brush on some dark soy sauce for color. Let it cool. Then place it in cool oil, skin side down. Cover with the lid to prevent oil splatters. Cook until it looks like this. Then slice it into thick pieces. That way, it tastes even more flavorful. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Beat them quickly. I share a delicious specialty recipe every day. If you enjoy it, please give it a like and follow for more. Next time when you crave it but don't know how to make it, you can find me again. Place the sliced pork belly into a clay pot. Add ginger slices and star anise, bay leaves, and dried chilies, rock sugar, and 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, half a tablespoon dark soy sauce. Pour in half a bottle of beer for extra aroma. Add enough water to cover the ingredients. Cover and simmer over low heat for 40 minutes. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped scallions. This pork belly turns out tender and deeply flavorful, rich but never greasy. Give it a try for your family if you like it. Method 4. You probably wouldn't believe that crispy pork belly can be this easy to make. As long as you have some salt at home, you can make crispy on that side, juicy on that side pork belly. Place the pork belly into a pot. Add a large bowl of water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and cover with a lid. Simmer gently over medium-low heat. After about 30 minutes, remove the pork belly. Be sure to clean the pan thoroughly. No oil is needed. Place the pork in the pan and cook over low heat. You can cover it to prevent splattering. Flip it several times during cooking. Keep the heat low the entire time. Cook until all sides are golden and crispy. Just listen to that incredible crunch. You can already tell it's crispy outside and tender inside. Isn't it incredibly simple? Now that you've learned it, give it a try.